would you allow them, or would you say go start off with flipping as you did, or would you, advocate jump into multifamily? Would you invite them to, join a group? What would be right now in 2024 where the rates are where they are, which is in multifamily kind of high, right, in comparison to a couple of years ago? Whether they're high or low, people always say that there aren't any deals or they can't find deals. What would you advise somebody who's brand new?
Yeah. Well, in any market, there's any opportunity, right? There's always opportunity at all times and all spaces in all cities, right? There's people that are winning in different markets across the country right now. And if you look back to, rates compared to our parents, we are at very low rates historically, right? Compared to where our parents were. Now, are rates higher than they were a few years ago? Yes, they're higher, but that potentially at point is historical lows. So at this point, are we coming back to the mean, to the average? Possibly. What I'd say now is that every person's path is their own path. If I
Mhm.
could go back, right?